Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, okay? And in this particular video, we are talking about one of the most frustrating platform issues, on MT4 and MT5. And that particular issue we're going to be talking about is the off quotes error, okay? So if you have ever tried to place a trade and you see the off quotes error message, you already know how annoying it can be. But don't worry, there are clear reasons why it happens and simple ways to fix it. So let us start with the most basic course. All right. So you want to place a trade. And perhaps it doesn't work. And maybe you get the off quotes error. You should first of all check your internet connection. All right. So you check your internet connection. First of all, a weak or unstable internet signal might cause delays between your order and the broker's server. Okay, so when that delay gets too long, you might see the off quotes error. All right, so first of all, check your internet. Make sure you are on a stable connection before placing trades. Okay, now the next reason is server issues. Okay, sometimes your broker server might be overloaded or temporarily offline. Now, if you were getting frequent off quotes, try logging into your broker's website to see if there are any server announcements. You can also rescan your servers in MT4 or MT5, by let's open our navigator. Right clicking in the navigator panel. Okay, and then you can check if you're going to see an option to rescan your servers, but if you do not see that, then try logging out and logging in afresh. All right, try logging out and logging in afresh to that account. Okay, you can even delete it. You can delete the account and then log in afresh. Okay, so another common issue is execution speed. All right. If the market is moving very fast, maybe doing news releases, for example, your order price might no longer be available by the time it reaches the broker. So to fix this, you can adjust your maximum deviation settings. Let's go to new order. So if you want to execute a trade, that particular price at which you want to execute the trade, if there is a lot of volatility in the market and maybe the price has deviated from that price that you want to execute and maybe the deviation is much, you might get that off quotes error. Okay, so do not be scared, because it's possible that the reason why the trade is not executed is because price has moved far away from the price where you wanted to execute the trade. Okay, So you can just probably go ahead to adjust your deviation settings if you see that option available. So when placing an order, you should enable maximum deviation from quoted price and then maybe set a small value like 5 to 10 points. So this allows a little flexibility so that your order can still go through even if the price moves slightly. Now let us talk about platform updates. Outdated versions of MT4 or MT5 may sometimes cause errors in execution. So make sure you download the latest version of the platform from your broker or the official MetaTrader website. Updating can remove hidden bugs that cause the off quotes error. So now, if you have tried all these steps and you still get the error, it could be on your broker's side. All right, so their server may be down. Okay, it could be an issue of server, or maybe the server could be overloaded or experiencing technical problems. So in this case, the best solution is to contact your broker's support team and report the issue. All right, now they can confirm if the problem is temporary or if they need to fix something on their end. So to prevent this problem in the future, always make sure you are using a stable internet connection, keep your platform updated, and adjust your maximum deviation when trading in fast moving markets. And if the problem continues, do not hesitate to switch to a different server from your broker if available. Okay, so that is how you fix the MT5 and MT4 off quotes error. You should start with your connection. Check your internet connection first, then you check your server, you adjust your settings, and keep your platform updated. Okay, whenever you find an update, just proceed to update your platform. Okay, so with these steps, you eliminate the error and keep your trades running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on MT4, MT5, and trading platforms. Drop a comment below if you've ever faced the off-quotes error and let me know which fix worked for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.